All right. So for this assignment, we were to basically watch these videos. I tried the notepad. It was good, but I personally needed to go step by step. So I watched all the videos to the full extent and kind of rewatched and stopped and started as I went. But the idea here was to watch these three videos, kind of get the Arduino and the IDF, everything kind of set up and understand kind of what's going on. Personally, took me a while to kind of play around and just follow videos. You do a very good job. Appreciate it of kind of being very descriptive and showing me how to kind of get everything started. So I will show you Visual Studio Code, obviously installed. Platform IO, obviously installed. Here's the home page. Here's the main. Obviously, I've done the last video and the last test, which I'll show running, so you could kind of tell that it runs and operates properly. And then I will show you Floppy Bird, all the etc. to make sure that I did every step properly and everything works accordingly. So as you can see, it's compiling, it's working, everything is in order. I also have other for the Floppy Bird. So it's working through. I've gone through this main file and I've already looked through a lot of it, and kind of, you are right, it is very educational and there's a lot of things that I'm finding out and kind of just looking at in the code context and kind of describing and finding out. As you can hear in the background, the micro 5 the M5 core processor is uploading. But yeah, overall it's pretty, as long as you followed everything pretty much by the T. And obviously Floppy Bird, you have it here. As you said, you don't want to kind of get sued for so I call it Floppy Bird, not Flappy Bird, or whatever context to not avoid that. So it'd be Flappy Bird. But here it is. Just transferred it over to the main file and run it, and it worked perfectly fine. I also have the other file, which was original file, which basically is just this copied onto the main CPP, and you run it, and it basically just says in a green screen on it what is being ran, and it says like hello Dr. Dan and etc. on the screen, and shows that. But yeah, just want to show you kind of in a context I've worked through this, and a context I know what's going on, and overall taking your video step by step kind of made me feel more comfortable of obviously working through everything, what's going on, and kind of going through the files too. Like that was a hard thing for me sometimes, is to work through files and kind of understand like how to get to things, how to find things, and where certain code is at. Also had to, where is it, comment out one of the files. There it is. So I commented out this part, as you said, in Discord. So everything works, everything is running. So I think that's kind of the context of what you wanted to go through and have happen through this first three videos. And I hope this is enough visual evidence of me working through them. Yeah, I would say the one that I struggled the most with, this one was kind of just understanding. So it's kind of just following through on like what is happening, the schematics, all etc. This one is kind of developing the environment and kind of getting it tested. So that was more difficult for me. The last, the factory test and program was super easy in my opinion. I struggled. I had a couple of errors with Flappy Birds, but then I got it working, so it was no big deal. Yeah, thank you, Dr. Grissom, and hopefully this suffices as proof that I worked through this and kind of got my everything set up and ready for this lecture today. So see you later. Appreciate it.